So Jeff, this is how we go about doing this. When I have a signal, it'll get posted in the room like I just did. It'll go out through our push notification system, which I'm just about to push it. I'll let you know, and then you'll see how quickly that our students get it. All right, so I just sent that out through our push notification system, and then it also goes out via email, which I just sent. Okay, let me check my phone. Okay, I just got the push notification. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys, because my orders don't go in until way after you guys, until all of the notices are out. I want to buy this vertical put spread in GLD. So I want to buy the 125, 123.5 put spread. And let's adjust these strikes. Buying the 125, selling the 123.5, 40-cent debit, and away it goes.